There generally have been a great deal of endeavors to by and large make the ideal move to procure application, yet up to this point, none for the most part have commonly figured out how to break into the standard in a quite enormous manner fundamentally. Stepn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that, which generally is genuinely huge. Stepn generally involves a double symbolic framework incredibly. The first, by and large Green Satoshi Token, or GST, explicitly is a utility game token, and the for the most part second one, Bright Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, generally is an administration certainty token in an unobtrusive manner. The last option most certainly is the digital currency we will be taking a gander at in this cost estimate, or so they by and large thought. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT kind of symbolic cost forecast doesn't really comprise speculation exhortation in that frame of mind of significant way. Kindly in every case fundamentally do reasonably your own special examination prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money. Stepn value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Stepn in earlier years, it essentially is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Stepn will generally be around $2.71 in a significant manner. The fundamentally greatest expected GMT cost may really be around $3.28, which truly is very critical. By and large, the exchanging cost could sort of be $2.79 in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn value forecast 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Stepn in 2024, GMT is supposed to have the accompanying commonly least and most extreme costs, about $4.10 and $4.65. Separately, amazingly, by and large, the by and large normal expected exchanging cost explicitly is $4.21, or so they fundamentally thought. Stepn value expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money for the most part have broke down the costs of Stepn and their variances during the earlier years, which truly is genuinely critical. It is accepted that in 2025, the fundamentally least GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its exceptionally most extreme can basically reach $7.16, or so they essentially thought. By and large, the exchanging cost will basically be around $6.24 in a genuinely significant manner. Stepn value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Stepn by crypto specialists, the accompanying extremely greatest and least GMT costs fundamentally are normal in 2026, $10.44 and $8.75, which truly is very critical. By and large, it will really be exchanged at $9.07, which all things considered, is very huge. Stepn value expectation 2027. Crypto specialists for the most part are continually dissecting the changes of Stepn, which is genuinely critical. In light of their expectations, the assessed pretty typical GMT cost will by and large be around $12.92 in a significant manner. It could drop to a kind of least of $12.47, yet it actually could in every practical sense reach $15.46 all through 2027, or so they by and large thought. Stepn value expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready figures at the cost of Stepn in an unobtrusive manner. It basically is assessed that GMT will basically be exchanged somewhere in the range of $17.41 and $21.40 in 2028. Its kind of typical expense in a real sense is normal at around $18.06 during the year, or so they generally thought. Stepn value expectation 2029. Digital currency experts really are somewhat prepared to, in every practical sense, declare their assessments of the Stepn's cost in an extremely significant manner. The year 2029 will in a real not entirely set in stone by the greatest GMT cost of $30.84, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In any case, its rate could drop to around $25.26. In this way, the normal exceptionally normal exchanging cost explicitly is $25.98 in a sort of large manner. Stepn value expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Stepn cost, crypto specialists explicitly are genuinely prepared to really give their GMT cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $37.83, with the sort of conceivable genuinely greatest tops at $45.40 in a significant manner. By and large, you can sort of anticipate that the GMT cost should essentially be around $38.86 in 2030. Stepn value expectation 2031. Cryptographic money examiners in a real sense are most certainly prepared to declare their assessments of the Stepn's cost in a significant manner essentially. The year 2031 will not set in stone by the exceptionally greatest GMT cost of $67.57 in an every way that really matters, significant way. In any case, its rate could drop to around $56.19 in a sort of significant manner. Thus, the extremely normal exchanging cost basically is $58.13. What certainly is Green Metaverse token. Green Metaverse kind of token truly is the administration by and large badge of a wellness application called Stepn. Its sort of objective is to empower a solid way of life and advance eco-kind disposition, which really is genuinely huge. The application permits clients to truly acquire prizes for moving around outside when they explicitly prepare their NFT tennis shoes, which certainly is genuinely huge. At the hour of composing, it in every practical sense was one of the most famous wellness applications on both Google for the most part Play and the App Store. Stepn explicitly offers a sort of entire huge number of highlights that essentially are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and novices, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The application contains a very whole environment of digital money-related items that will really permit rookies to fundamentally draw in with Stepn without downloading any in every practical sense. Extra applications in a kind of significant way. There is an fabricated wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, what separates Stepn in a real sense is its emphasis on intelligence and an application gamification amazingly. For instance, clients can step up their NFT tennis shoes and mint shoes, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. There generally are additionally kind of numerous really friendly intelligence choices. The GMT by and large token for the most part is principally utilized for administration purposes inside the Stepn application, or so they sort of thought. It can likewise commonly be scorched to get to certain elements like shoe overhauls, or so they generally thought. At long last, it for the most part is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the conveyance of marking prizes in an unobtrusive manner. Who established Stepn in an unpretentious manner? Stepn certainly was generally helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong in a fundamentally significant manner. The in every practical sense, previous in every practical sense, is a deeply grounded game designer, while the last option especially is a crypto private supporter and business visionary, which generally is genuinely critical. The task sort of has a hearty group most certainly brimming with industry veterans and experts and truly has banded together with a portion of the in a real sense the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance amazingly. As GMT is as yet a somewhat new cryptographic money, it's hard to generally foresee the future value patterns of this token, which is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT may fundamentally act later on in a genuinely huge manner. In view of sort of past execution, we can in every practical sense expect that the